Hello class, I'm back again in another video and another topic. So I know that you are ready to learn again. So let's proceed to our topic. The topic that we will discuss today is all about divisibility rules. So are you familiar with that? First, let us know what is divisibility rules. So it is a quick way of determining whether a given number is divisible by another number and that the remainder is 0. A given number is divisible by another number without having a remainder. Example, the number 24 is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8, so we can divide them without having a remainder. Before we proceed to the rules, let's have first the even numbers. So what are the even numbers? So we have here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. So let's proceed to the rules. So rule number 1, a number is divisible by 2 if the last digit of the number is even. So 78, 8 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. So 78 divided by 2 is equal to 39. Always remember that the last digit of a given number is an even number. It is divisible by 2. Okay? Next, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So we need to add first all the digits, and if it is divisible by 3, we can divide it. So we have here 735. So we need to add first the digits. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 5, 15. So it is divisible by 3. Right? So 725 divided by 3 is equals to 245. So always remember, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, we can divide it. Next, a number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits is divisible by 4 or the last two digits are zeros. So a given number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits is divisible by 4 or the last two digits are 0. Just like for example, 9,512. So 12 is divisible by 4, therefore we can divide it. So 9,512 divided by 4 equals 2,378. Next, a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is either 5 or 0. So just like for example, we have 10,505. So the last digit is 5. Therefore, it is divisible by 5. So 10,505 divided by 5 is equal to 2,101. Next, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So, in 2, always look the last digit if it is even number, and in 3, we should sum up the digits. So, let's have your example. So, we have here 396. So, 6 is an even number, therefore it is divisible by 2. So 3 plus 9 plus 6 equals 18. So it is divisible by 3. So therefore it is divisible by 6. So 396 divided by 6 is equal to 66. Next, a number is divisible by 7 if after doubling the last digit and subtracting the result from the other digits, the difference is divisible by 7. So we should doubling the last digit and subtracting the result from the other digit. Just like for example, 175. So 5, we should double that. It will be 10. So 17 minus 10 equals to 7. So 7 is divisible by 7. So therefore 175 will be divisible by 7. So 175 divided by 7 is equal to 25. Next, a number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. Also, a number ending in 3 zeros is divisible by 8. So we have here 7,864. So the last 3 digits is 864. 8 is divisible by 8 and 64 is also divisible by 8. Therefore, 7,864 is divisible by 8. So, 7,864 divided by 8 is equal to 983. Next, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So, just like in rule number 3, we will sum up the digits first. If it is divisible by 9, we can divide it. So, just like for example, 648. So, 6 plus 4, 10 plus 8 equals 18. So, it is divisible by 9. So, we can divide it. So, 648 divided by 9 will be 72. Next, a number is divisible by 10 if the last digit is 0. So, just like for example, 150,110. So, 0 is the last digit. Therefore, we can divide it into 10. So, 150,110 divided by 10 will be 15,011. That ends our topic for today. So, I hope you learn well. And see you again next time.